Collaborate and celebrate. It's our time to cooperate. We work together, our hearts are one, creating benefit for everyone. Connection and unity, that's our community. Rise up, it's your life, be all you are meant to be. Fellowship, partnership, solidarity, reciprocity, with the collaboration narrative. You'll be your own executive, achieving your heart's shared dreams. Collaborate and celebrate. It's our time to cooperate.
I was meditating on the collaboration narrative when I found this heart. Always follow your heart, keep on carrorizing, and subscribe and like for more hearts.